My name is Anthony Chen. I'm a general surgeon. There's not a whole lot of room for errors in surgery, and that kind of really appealed to me, I guess, working in that. I want to do something where it's really detail-oriented and just do a good job. As a general surgeon, I get to see a variety of stuff. It's always a little bit different, always a little bit exciting. I think it's totally reasonable to be anxious about surgery, but I also think that a lot of it is just fear of the unknown, right? Fear of losing control, which is exactly what surgery is. You don't know what's happening, you're going under anesthesia. So for me, a lot of it is just, we go through the whole thing from beginning to end. We talk about what it's gonna be like, what to expect, what happens while you're in surgery, and I think that helps just clear things up, and that by itself takes away a lot of the anxiety. I like seeing people walk out saying, whatever bothered them before just doesn't anymore. It's fixed. That's just great.